My name is Romon. I'm going to share with you some techniques in exercise and massage to get yourself out of pain. I just have my fingers bent and I'm using the flat part of my knuckles. And I'm putting both my hands together and smoothly going up the calf. That way, and it's good to have a nice spread of area when you're working, when you're first going through the muscle, the first few passes, because when you start to get using like one or two digits, the work is more focused. So basically, we're introducing our hands to the body. So now that I've made a couple of passes, so you can even use your fists. How does this feel, Carrie?
Good.
All right, glad you're still awake with us. Okay, so next, I'm still spreading it out. Another thing is, if you're a massage therapist, most massage therapists work imbalanced. So you should always try to, when you're working on somebody, to also benefit yourself. So one way to do that is to use the back of your hand. So I also use my wrist. This might look like it's painful or difficult. It's not really, it's not supposed to be painful. If it is painful and you're doing this, you know it's being of benefit. And
Sure.
yeah, so also the wrist is used as a strike in martial arts, so it is strong enough to do a massage with. Okay, so when you want to get more, and so you want to work both sides of your hands. Okay. So our next techniques, we're going to do something more precise and work with the thumbs all the way down. That way, if you find an area where there's a little knot, you can kind of work the knot if you want to. And don't feel like you have to do this technique perfect each time, like go straight. If you want to slow down, speed up, sometimes you might have to find a spot and slow down there and hang out for a while. It's totally okay just to hang out for a while. I've been at some spots as long as like 5 or 10 minutes. It eventually gets tired before you do. Okay, so next thing we're going to do is just do some simple passes with our thumbs up the calf. So keep these things in mind. Everything is not just like it has to be done a certain way. You want to keep your work intuitive, interesting, and fun for you. And as much as possible, you want to work on your techniques being smooth and flowing. Okay, so the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go to this side of the table, and I'm going to do it from the other direction. Okay, now part of the reason so many people get knee pain is coming up here. This will start pulling and be tight right in here. So you want to be sure to be able to go in here and lift this up. And you can also do some spreading. So that way you've worked the muscle from both sides. What we went over today was different techniques that you can do with the calf and not do the same thing over and over. Always remember to vary your techniques, vary your pressure, be in touch with what your partner is, be in touch with what's going on with your partner. Sometimes the pressure might be too light or too heavy. So that way you've worked the muscle from both sides. So those are some basic techniques to give somebody a good calf massage and help work out Charlie horses or cramps.